Increasing your subscriber amount, your view count, your like count, your comment count, it's not enough. It's not enough for you to focus on these vanity metrics, hoping that this is the reason that you're going to be able to make money off of YouTube. As in, it's going to take you too long if you're focused on these metrics to get money from AdSense, to get money from brand deals, to get money on sponsorships. These things only apply to channels with hundreds of thousands, millions of subscribers. And even then, with those channels that have that amount of subscribers and that amount of engagement, you would still be better off making the sole source of your income coming from products that you sell, a premium solution that you sell to your audience members. This is the divide in 2024 when it comes to making money on YouTube. There's the old way of monetization, and there is now the new way of monetization. The old way entails focusing on thumbnails, focusing on increasing your subscriber account, focus on being consistent for a year and not expecting no money from your YouTube channel, or at least not that much money from your YouTube channel. Relying on AdSense, relying on sponsorships, editing your own videos, making your own thumbnails. This is all the old way of monetization, charging for cheap digital products. These people who do this thing are the broke YouTubers you hear about. These are people who are struggling to make their YouTube channel into a full-time career, make it into a full-time endeavor, make it into a thing that actually is able to support their lives. On the other hand, because the market shifts and the proper way of how to use YouTube, it changes all the time as well. And in 2024 specifically, things are new. Things have changed. No longer can you just rely on AdSense and sponsorships and waiting for you to get monetized and waiting for you to get a high amount of subscribers in order to make money. You need to be able to charge for a premium solution, create the premium solution, and charge your audience members, your current audience members, for that premium solution. The new way of growing on YouTube involves dialing in your niche, dialing in your dream audience member, dialing in a premium slash paid solution that you can charge to fix your dream audience members' biggest and most harrowing and most major problems that they face in their lives. By doing these three things, focusing on your niche, focusing on your dream audience member, focus on charging and creating a premium solution that can help your dream audience member with their major problems, you'll be able to create a money printing machine with your YouTube channel so that you're not on the content hamster wheel of just making more and more and more and more videos, hoping that these videos are going to be your key and your ticket to monetizing and making a living off of YouTube. Sponsorships, AdSense, and brand deals, they just take too long. And even when you have these things, you're not making the money that you want to make because they don't pay enough. You need to have something that actually is going to pay you and put money directly into your pocket. And you want to do so while actually helping other people who are in your audience. You want to do this while helping people and getting them to an end result within their lives. That's the end goal. This is the new paradigm, the new method of monetization for YouTube. And YouTubers who are not doing this are going to be left behind. They're going to be broke. There are too many channels with millions of subscribers, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, where I'll see their channels I'll be analyzing. They'll have the links in the description to their Instagrams, their Twitters, their Twitch. Maybe they'll have like a Patreon. But in the Patreon, it's $5 per month. They're not marketing the Patreon. They're not specifically targeting their audience towards a premium digital product. Their videos are just creating videos, hoping to grow, hoping to get more subscribers, hoping to get more likes. It's not enough. It's not enough in 2024. You need to have somewhere that you can take your audience to after they watch your videos, after they consume your content, after they implement what you tell them to do in your videos. Whether you're an entertainment YouTuber, a video game YouTuber, there is still some sort of value that you can provide for your audience members. You just have to ask them. You just need to figure out what they care about, what they value about. Whatever they value about, they will also pay for. So I want to break down the three kind of topics I was discussing earlier about what to actually focus on when creating videos for your YouTube channel and just in general for the growth of your YouTube channel in the first place. So, for one, you need to focus on niche. You need to next focus on your dream audience member, and your dream audience member is the specific person, the dream person that you want to be watching your content and who you also want to be buying your stuff. The third thing you need to focus on is a premium solution slash solution that you can take that dream audience member to, where you are solving basically their major problems, the most pressing, most disturbing problem that they face in their lives, in context to why they're watching your channel in the first place and why they consume your content in the first place. So the problem is in context of that. I mean, they might have worse problems. They might have parents who are literally, out of shape and they're dying, for example. I know that's an extreme example. Sorry, but no, it's a major problem in context of why they watch your channel in the first place. So if you can figure this out and you can charge a premium solution for it, you can make money off your YouTube channel without waiting for AdSense, without waiting for sponsorships. You can get money and you can get paid for basically just giving value and being the person who they want to consume the value from. So with niche, you need to focus wholly on that specific topic that you are discussing in your YouTube videos. Do not deviate, do not go to different topics, do not go to different subtopics. Focus on one specific niche and only make videos and content about that specific niche. Next, you need to figure out that specific person you're trying to reach when you make your videos in the first place. You do this by figuring out who that person is. What is the type of content that they would like to consume? What are the major problems that they face? You can do this by talking to the people in your comments, hosting calls where you get and ask people questions, ask them what their major problems are, what they face in their daily lives. Community posts, community polls, doing research and market research on the types of problems that these type of people face. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, maybe your specific ideal person that you are trying to reach in your content is fat, out of shape young men. So with that, you'd be you would want to, for one, make your content detailed towards young men who are out of shape. You'd want to talk to young men who are out of shape by attracting them with your content, by finding places where these type of people hang out, at figuring out their problems, figuring out what they go through. And then we go to the third step of charging a premium solution. You charge a premium solution if you have the answer, if you know how to help them solve that problem, and you charge a solution for it. You send people with a call to action at the end of your videos. You say, hey, for example, we're going to continue with the young men who are out of shape example. Hey, I have a solution, whether it's a course, whether it's a group call, one-to-one call, a paid community program. Hey, I have X in my bio, in my description, first link in the description, where I help young men who are out of shape get in shape and get their dream bodies. So whatever the vehicle is, you send them to that vehicle and you get that person results. And you do this over and over and over again. You keep funneling people into the vehicle. You keep attracting more of that ideal dream audience member because there's going to be thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of those type of people on this earth. And if you make your channel and your videos personalized, you make them as value packed as possible. You do so with the intention of trying to change your dream audience members' lives. You're going to attract these type of people. If you continue to make your video ideas amazing so that they can actually click on your videos in the first place, you improve the packaging, you improve your storytelling, you improve and tell why you're able to help them, you show them how you've helped other people, you show them results, you show them case studies, you show them testimonials. You do all these things in conjunction. Keep on focusing on the niche, keep on focusing on that dream audience member, keep on trying to improve your paid product, make it as good as possible, make it amazing. Literally genuinely trying to change and transform the lives of your dream audience member. By default, you are going to be, for one, printing from your YouTube channel, and you're not going to have to rely on other people to pay you for you're not going to have to rely for other people to pay you for making videos. The money that you are making is directly from your audience, so it's your own. Like you own them. You like your audience wants to learn from you and wants to pay you for your solutions. You have to rely on YouTube for AdSense. You have to rely on different companies for sponsorships and brand deals. And it also takes a long time if you do not have a big audience. So, and even if you do have a big audience, you're not making as much money as you would want to be making, and the money that you could be making is if you just sold your own products. So overall, all in all, the main goal and the new way of monetizing on YouTube in 2024 is by selling a premium solution to a specific person in a specific sort of industry, specific sort of market section. If you can do this and repeat that process and optimize that process and make that process as good as possible, you will grow in the right way. You're going to attract as many of those dream audience members as possible. When you do grow, you're only going to be growing and attracting people who want to watch your content anyway, who are going to buy from you in the first place. These people will be nurtured by your content, by the value that you provide. As long as you're providing life changing and real life, like step by step breakdowns of value, these people are going to want to stick with your channel. They're going to be loving you. They're going to want to buy all your products, and you're going to just have money that is basically guaranteed. It's a cycle. You just keep on attracting more people. You keep following more people. You keep getting results. You'll be printing. No more relying on AdSense. No more relying on external things. No more relying on cheap digital products. We're going to charge premium solutions. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Click the like and subscribe button to stay tuned for more future videos. If you want to learn more about what I do, you can click the first link in the description. Click here to watch this video, and I'll see you guys on the flip video. Peace.